Have you ever needed to create some contouring within a back support and not known how to solve it? I want to introduce you to the TSS Lite Kit. This is a variation of the tessellated shape building elements kit, which enables a very small, concise contouring system for fast contouring. I'd like to recommend using the TSS Lite Kit for a sacral block within the back support to prevent the pelvis going into posterior pelvic tilt, or in a scoliosis situation for more asymmetrical contouring within the back support. Each of these TSS positioning elements have different densities. As you're building the contouring into the back support, you can ensure the best positioning and support and comfort for the user. The TSS Lite Kit consists of different elements. What is really great is 6 contouring wedges. These wedges enable extra lateral stability within the user's trunk or other asymmetrical positioning. In the kit, there is the firm building blocks. This is the blue pad and enables very firm support to start the contouring with. Then we go to the medium density pad. This is a white foam for additional contouring. Then we have the hexagonal overlay pads. These are a strip form which enables you to bend them and contour them over the other building elements. With these building elements, you'll notice that they're perforated. This is to ensure breathability and airflow is maintained right through the back support. Also, the elements can be teared or cut with scissors should you need to slice them according to the contouring you require. The last element are the Velcro strips. These Velcro strips smooth over the contouring, ensuring that what you've built is going to be locked into place and can't move. With any back support from the Specs range, the aluminium shell has a Velcro interface. This is where you apply the TSS Lite Kit directly to, Velcro all in place, and then put the upholstery wrap back in place. And this will allow the building elements to remain in place. In summary, I'm recommending having a TSS Lite Kit with you wherever you go, because within any back support from the Specs range, from the Zygo Active right through to our complex back support range, the TSS Lite Kit will enable fast contouring for any situation. With the added wedges and lateral stability, you can do a lot of positioning with this kit. Thank you for watching.